Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing MSc Food Science and Technology Entrance Exam Important MCQs Set 2, which consists of 30 MCQs. Watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which drug is present in cola drinks? Options: A. Valium, B. Cocaine, C. Opiate, D. Caffeine. Correct answer D. Caffeine. Question number 2. The sequestrants used in cold drinks to dash. Options: A. Remove traces of metal, B. Increase the color, C. Increase consistency, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Remove traces of metal. Question number 3. Stimulant present in cocoa. Options: A. Theobromine, B. Caffeine, C. Catechins, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Theobromine. Question number 4. A bacterium found in beer and cider. Options: A. Acetobacter, B. Glucanobacter, C. Pediococcus, D. Leuconostoc. Correct answer A. Acetobacter. Question number 5. FDA stands for. Options: A. Food and Diet Action, B. Food and Drug Administration, C. Fundamental Drug Act, D. Food Dietary Act. Correct answer B. Food and Drug Administration. Question number 6. The most frequently reported foodborne disease is dash food poisoning. Options: A. Salmonella, B. Staphylococcal, C. Botulism, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Salmonella. Question number 7. GMP stands for. Options: A. Good manufacturing plan, B. Good manufacturing practices, C. Good marketing practices, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Good manufacturing practices. Question number 8. Mold produce a toxin called. Options: A. Enterotoxin, B. Neurotoxin, C. Mycotoxin, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. Mycotoxin. Question number 9. An example for competitive inhibitor of succinic acid. Options: A. Formic acid, B. Maloric acid, C. Fumaric acid, D. Lactic acid. Correct answer C. Fumaric acid. Question number 10. Enzyme used for the breakdown of starch. Options: A. Alpha amylase, B. Protease, C. Carboxypeptidase, D. Lipase. Correct answer A. Alpha amylase. Question number 11. A food additive causing the classical symptoms of the Chinese restaurant syndrome is. Options: A. MSG, B. Anti-caking agents, C. Sequestrants, D. Buffering agents. Correct answer A. MSG. Question number 12. A chemical leavening agent is. Options: A. Sodium carbonate, B. Sodium sulfate, C. Sodium bicarbonate, D. Sodium nitrate. Correct answer C. Sodium bicarbonate. Question number 13. Trimethyl amine oxide is reduced to trimethyl amine is an indicator of. Options: A. Meat spoilage, B. Egg spoilage, C. Fish spoilage, D. Poultry spoilage. Correct answer C. Fish spoilage. Question number 14. TMF is a highly popular soybean preparation in. Options: A. Indonesia, B. Japan, C. China, D. Africa. Correct answer A. Indonesia. Question number 15. The negative ion present in common salt is dash. Options: A. Na, B. Cl minus, C. Na2 minus, D. Cl2 minus. Correct answer B. Cl minus. Question number 16. Permittive level of nitrates in foodstuffs. Options: A. 10 microgram, B. 30 microgram, C. 50 microgram, D. 60 microgram. Correct answer: C. 50 microgram. Question number 17. World Health Day is celebrated on. Options: A. April 8, B. September 2, C. April 7, D. August 16. Correct answer: C. April 7. Question number 18. The deficiency disease of copper. Options: A. Wilson's disease, B. Goiter, C. Rickets, D. Anemia. Correct answer: A. Wilson's disease. Question number 19. Yeast is a rich source of. Options: A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer: B. Vitamin B. Question number 20. Dash is the chief producer of coffee. Options: A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer: C. Karnataka. Question number 21. The nutritional loss of canned fruits and vegetables include. Options: A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin B, D. Vitamin C and vitamin B. Correct answer: D. Vitamin C and vitamin B. Question number 22. The percentage of sugar in candy. Options: A. 56 to 60, B. 60 to 65, C. 70 to 75, D. 75 to 80. Correct answer: C. 70 to 75%. Question number 23. The caffeine content of tea is. Options: A. 6%, B. 4%, C. 10%, D. 1%. Correct answer: B. 4%. Question number 24. An alcoholic beverage prepared from rice. Options: A. Arak, B. Whiskey, C. Brandy, D. Rum. Correct answer: A. Arak. Question number 25. Scoville heat unit shoe is used for the measurement of. Options: A. Pungency, B. Sweet, C. Sour, D. Bitter. Correct answer: A. Pungency. Question number 26. Pure concentrated oil soluble extractive of a natural spice or herb is known as. Options: A. Extract, B. Resin, C. Essential oil, D. Oleoresin. Correct answer: D. Oleoresin. Question number 27. 1 calorie is equal to dash joule. Options: A. 4.08, B. 4.18, C. 4.38, D. 4.48. Correct answer: B. 4.18. Question number 28. The science of winemaking is known as. Options: A. Pomology, B. Enology, C. Oology, D. Pedology. Correct answer: B. Enology. Question number 29. Largest producer of sugarcane is dash. Options: A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Assam. Correct answer: A. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 30. The optimum temperature at which most enzymes act rapidly is about. Options: A. 50 degrees Celsius, B. 18 degrees Celsius, C. 37 degrees Celsius, D. 40 degrees Celsius. Correct answer: C. 37 degrees Celsius. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily quizzes and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.